Hi guys, short video review here about this Xbox battery controller set. This is how this looks, and the model type is HBX-485. It's sold for around $15 and it looks like it would be a great opportunity if you need something for your Xbox controller, but it's actually not, and there are basically two reasons why it's not recommended. It comes with the charging cradle, comes with these two batteries, comes with the USB-A to USB-C charging cables. We plug it in, put it here inside. What's really important here is that we push it deep inside, otherwise we don't have any charge. Then we take the two batteries, we have to align them. This notch here to the left side, also this one here to the left side. And it looks like when we are just putting the batteries inside, it's not charging, so we have to push here. And now you can see already one big disadvantage here. Here it shows red and here green, means it's fully charged, and this one is still charging. But when we move this battery here a little bit to the front and to the back, it's almost randomly going into charge, saying fully charged, going back into charge. That's pretty crazy. I've never seen something so unreliable. Now same batteries and they're saying charging, and I just push here a little bit, goes just randomly back and forth into charge, coming back, saying fully charged. Yeah, it's absolutely crazy. And why is that? I think mainly that's due to the fact that it's not lithium ion, but actually it's nickel metal hydride. I mean, there are still a lot of batteries using nickel metal hydride, but it's not really state of the art, not very convenient. It has also some memory effect, of course not like nickel cadmium or so, but still it can have some memory effect, and definitely not as reliable as lithium ion, especially regarding the output. Xbox controllers can be very picky regarding the voltage, and when the voltage drops too much, then the controller is stopping to work. That's not happening with lithium ion. With lithium ion they work till the very end, till the charge is really fully used up. But with nickel metal hydride, that's a different story. Definitely not as reliable. Also another complaint here regarding the size. I mean, we have to align this here to the top and down. So we just push it here inside and then we push it fully down. By the way, I mean, of course you can see this plus and minus, but they are actually not needed. It's just the internal connection. So it doesn't matter when we don't have metal pins here. They are not needed. Just the ones on top are needed. So we push them here inside, push them down. And I can tell you it's pretty tight. I've already applied the lid. It's working somehow, but it's almost impossible then after that to remove the lid again. So the battery is actually a little bit too large, so I don't close it again. I mean, it's working. You can see, can turn it on, and it works for a while for sure. On the positive side, it has also 2 times USB-A output, which you can use to charge your phone, or while you are charging such a battery pack, you can plug this in here, connect it to your controller, and then hold it down, and you can see it starts working properly even without batteries here inside. So the concept is not bad, just the implementation, the details are not really good. So it's not a complete fail, but a lot of things are really not state of the art, really not as they should be in 2024. And so definitely stay away from this package. Look for something with good reviews, something with lithium ion batteries. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.